What's up, everyone? I got my big red doodle book. I'm so excited. I'm gonna draw something today. I am going to draw a dancing rhino. Jason, you gave me this idea a couple of days ago. Jason came into the shop for a workshop and he said, draw a dancing rhino. I love the way he drew the letter I. It looks like a colon. Dancing rhino from Jason. So here we go. I started doing this. I wanted to have the rhino's horn like that. So I want you to draw first, which is normally not how I do it, but let's try it. Draw the horn of the rhino, the tusk horn. I don't know what you call it, but draw that. And then after you draw that, you got to go up a little bit like this, but make it swoop like this. Do you see what I'm doing? Like this. I have to draw upside down for you, but I'm drawing the right side for me. And then there's another horn like this on the rhino. So he has kind of these two horns. And then he kind of goes up like this, and then you sort of make his head. I don't exactly know how to do this. I gotta figure it out. It's almost like, just draw the rhino, like a little smiling rhino. He's got like a small part of the bottom part of his mouth like this. You draw your own rhino. I'm drawing my rhino. And I'm gonna put his eyeball like, I think it's pretty low to the, look at this guy. So I don't know about his eye. Just make his eye, just kind of scrabble his eye like this. And he's got like some kind of ear like this, another ear over here. This cute rhino. And now he has this sort of arched back. It's got this kind of weird, but he's gonna be doing like the boogie woogie. This rhino is dancing. So after you do the head, spend some time really kind of figuring out how to draw your rhino. Do the horn, do another cute little horn. Swoop up like this, draw some ears, give him an eyeball. Don't give him two eyeballs. Maybe you can even erase this and go in like this, because that horn kind of has this sort of, it's like a second horn. And I think he has nostrils, but I don't know. Give him a nostril. Maybe give him like a smile. And now we're gonna try to be very abstract and make him dance. I don't know what the arms on a rhino look like, so I'm gonna make it elephant-like. He's doing like a boogie woogie dance. And I'm gonna keep it very loose because I have no idea how to draw a rhino dancing. So I'm just gonna make dancing kind of lines. I'm gonna get a marker and I'm gonna outline my rhino in blue. Jason, I want you to draw a rhino. And if your name is not Jason and you're watching this video, I want you to draw a rhino too. I think we should all draw dancing rhinos. I want to do like a hunched back like this, and he's just dancing. Maybe he's wearing like a big robe, so I don't have to worry about how his body looks like. I'll do another video where I actually show how to draw a rhino properly, but right now, I'm just gonna try to do swooshes like this. And I'm gonna make him kind of look like he's dancing. And here's the kick. Ready for this? This is how I'm gonna make him look like he's dancing. Watch this. I'm doing a line here, and a line there. And then I'm gonna do a little circle, Look at that. You see this? It's a music note. Can you see that? And then I'm gonna go like this. And I'm gonna put another music note over here, like two little dots, two lines up, and a little side thing like this. And now all of a sudden, he's dancing. You could even do this. This will be fun. Let's get a pink marker. Again, I'm thinking on the fly here. Look, I'm gonna do a line like this, and I'm gonna draw a circle like this. It's not a piñata. And I'm gonna go like this. Put lines like this. It's a disco ball. Look at this disco ball. Now this rhino is dancing. Look at him. Get another color here. Just make the rhino dance. Draw a rhino and then draw like squiggly lines around the rhino. That was too much. I did too much over there. But draw a bunch of lines. Maybe a little, because the rhinos are gray. So if I use the orange and the blue, it's gonna make them look kind of gray. How silly is this video? Look at this rhino. Anyways, if you want, draw a rhino dancing. He looks like he's having a great time dancing. I don't know how to make his other arms. I'm not even gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it like this. It's just dancing. I'm gonna put another music note here. I don't know how to do that crazy, cool S-looking music note. If you know how to do that, you should do that too, because this is the Dancing Rhino. That's it. All right, Jason. Technically, I did it. I drew a dancing rhino. It's not my best rhino, but I kind of like his face. And I hope you draw a dancing rhino. I can't stop moving my feet as I do this because I feel like dancing. So put on some music that you like, try to draw a rhino and make him dance.